What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is gonna basically just be like a daily vlog type of deal. We definitely got a lot of stuff to do today, so let's go check on Chris and see what's up. Alright guys, so we're down over here at AJ's Tires, right here in Orange City, Florida. Here's the phone number. They mainly do a lot of alignments and tires, and they're like the #1 people to go for like a nice used tire, all A grade tires. So Matt here is gonna bring us over to the shop, and we're gonna go see the big old stock that they got over there. So let's go check it out. All right guys, so we're here in the warehouse, and oh my god, they have a bunch of tires here, and I would say 99% of them, or almost all of them, have like really nice tread on them, and they're all dated, you know, 21, and I don't think you have anything older than like 2017 that I've seen. So let me just give you a perspective. That's an aisle, and coming down here, this is another aisle. Now he said that it's a little bit of a mess right now just because they just got a truckload in, but they sell so many volume of these tires, so they got aisles and aisles of tires, and like I said, almost every single one of them have awesome tread. So definitely come check them out. Yeah. All right, so go ahead, tell me kind of what tires you guys typically keep in stock.
I mean, really a little bit of everything. Like 16s to 20s are like the hot sellers, but everything from like your everyday cars that are a dime a dozen to we got odd stuff like pair 275 30 20s, 245 40 20, anything pretty much as low as like a 13 to 14 inch up to 21s 22s. But yeah, we specialize in like the higher end used stuff.
Yeah, so. Yeah, that's what I've seen so far. Every single tire is like brand new almost, and they guarantee the tire too. So if any leaks,
if there's any leaks, if there's a patch or something, even 6 months from now, if you come back and it's leaking from the patch, we'll take care of it. And then we also specialize in pairing them, pair sets, so you don't have mismatched tires.
Yeah,
so.
I know that gets kind of annoying.
Yeah, that's the main reason why a lot of people don't want used tires. But if you can get a nice set that looks like new, and they're all the same brand and date for the most part.
Yeah, so we got to talk about this.
Yeah, this is our little track car. Pretty much we do a lot of PBOC events, chin events, stuff like that. But pretty much this C5 Z06. We bought it slightly wrecked a while back. Now we got the big brake kit, the Brembos on the front. The rear brakes are actually the original brakes that came off the front, so it's bigger calipers and rotors on the back.
Oh wow.
Kind of like a cheap, easy mod to gain performance.
Yeah.
Downforce, Pirelli slicks, safety inside.
Yeah, I've seen the Recaros. They look pretty decent in here.
Recaros, they're kind of...
I'm a fan of the Recaros too.
Yeah, clean.
What shifter is that?
It's the...
Oh, so it's an MGW shifter.
Got the little water cup in there, just in case.
Yep.
And then motor is just pretty much headers, straight pipe exhaust all the way out.
Yep.
Intake, cold air intake, and then
I love the track spec vents.
Yeah,
they look
helps
sick.
A ton with the radiator and vents. It makes a world of difference. Nothing too crazy. She's a little dirty, but I put
it's a track car. It's supposed to be.
I put probably honestly a solid 10-12,000 track miles on this since we've had it.
Oh wow.
It literally, we do like 2-3 events every month for the longest time. We slowed down a little bit now, but
right.
And then the diffuser back here we made.
You made it in house?
Yep, made it in house. We actually, it's a quick release, so we can take it off within like 5 minutes.
Wow.
Universal trans cooler we got. New license plate one.
Oh, that's pretty trick. I like that.
Just on a little toggle switch.
Hell yeah. I also see you got some rims around too. Are those also for sale?
Yeah, some are for sale, some are like sets. Some are actually just for scrap, like they're aluminum, but they could be cracked or not fixable, you know. But there are some where, like back in the corner, we had more sets. Most of these are scrap, but we stockpile them and get rid of them all at once, you know.
Well, cool. Let's go check out the shop and see what kind of equipment you got. So not only do they have it in the back of the warehouse, they also have a lot more tires up front too. Pretty cool. So anybody trying to get a drag pack set up, they can do it. They have a machine that doesn't touch the face of the rim, so pretty scared the crap out of me. Then they have a brand new coach balancer. All touch. This thing's touchscreen too, isn't it? Wow. Nice. And for the alignments too, they can put pretty much any low car on there. They have these ramps that'll actually come way out to here. So it doesn't matter if your car is 5 feet off the ground or, you know, a millimeter off the ground. They can get it on this lift and they can do an alignment on it. So definitely a huge shout out to AJ's Tires right here in Orange City. You guys can like them on Facebook and give them a call, come check them out, tell them that we sent you guys. Alright guys, so we stopped over here at Modular Head Shop, so let's go check in and see what's going on. So what's up, dude? What we doing?
2020 GT500, 1100 horsepower builds, ported blower, long tube, 4-lit tack catback, triple pump fuel system, Bogart drag wheels, ID 1700cc injectors, 1320 junkie cold air, 1320 junkie ported the blower, Palm Beach dyno tune, Palm Beach dyno throttle body. Maybe that's it. I don't know. There's a lot of parts.
Yeah, quite a lot. Sweet, dude. All right, Chris, what are we doing today?
We're installing some new vertical links on this car for Andrew. Pretty much the factory ones hang a little, if you look here, hangs a little bit lower than the actual rotor itself. So the wheels we have will actually hit that. Just needs a little bit of clearance. So the aftermarket ones, once they're installed, the offset's a little bit different. So it actually give us clearance for the wheel. Slide right over.
Cool.
So we don't have to cut nothing or grind nothing.
Right. So Chris went ahead and installed that already. Definitely a lot more room compared to the other side. Definitely a lot more room.
Cool. That is straight fire. They fit? Not hitting anything?
It clears it perfect.
Yeah.
Damn.
That's wild.
Yeah. Super nice.
Beautiful. Get some outside shot for this thing.
The fronts are 20s?
Yeah, 20 by 5, 18 by 11 meters.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, we gotta get this thing outside.
Oof. What's up, dude?
What's up, buddy?
Got you a little surprise.
You do?
Yep.
What?
I don't know how it fit in here, but got the old engine stand in here. Can't really see it, but it fit.
That's amazing.
All right.
And shut?
Yeah. Who needs a shop truck?
Yeah, we can just throw by that thing.
All right, buddy. So catch us up to speed. What we got?
So I guess like first off, it's been a long day.
Yeah, it has.
It is probably midnight now.
Yep.
And we're still at the shop. But I think we left off, everything was out. We had to pull the transmission cross member and the transmission lines out of the Tahoe. So I did that this morning, real early. Went ahead and just yanked the motor out while you were at home snoozing. Made a huge mess on the floor. Totally forgot to drain the torque converter. And dumped about 47.5 quarts of oil, transmission fluid on the floor. So that's good. I'm glad we spent 3 days painting it.
Yeah, that's cool. No big deal.
So got it out. We went over to Modular Head Shop and helped Andrew on that that baller ass car over there. And then I came back here after I was released from duty and started ripping this thing apart. I mean, I separated the trans from the motor, pulled the torque converter, flex plate, rear main, cover, the head. I mean, it's down. All I gotta do is pull the harmonic balancer, yank the camshaft out, flip it over, pull the pan, yank the rods and pistons out and the crank, and then we can drop this bad boy off at the machine shop tomorrow and get it taken care of. So we're almost there.
Sweet.
Not far off. Ready for bed.
Same. Alright guys, so we got it down to a bare block. Ran into a few hiccups, so I guess we got to get a new cam bearings. They're kind of wiped out a little bit, and we're going to look for a new crank as well too. That's definitely where the oil pressure was going, so one step at a time, bud.
Yeah, it's alright. So gotta find 4.8 or 5.3 crank stock. Hasn't been turned, just slap it back in. Everything else looks good. For 320,000 miles, actually pretty impressed with how the engine, there's no sludge in it whatsoever. Surprising. Kind of a bummer about the crank. I don't know if we're gonna make it to the spring rod run.
That's alright, man.
Maybe if we can find a crank like tomorrow.
Yeah, definitely comment down below if you got somebody that knows somebody that's got a crank. But
in this area,
yeah, local to this area, that'd be awesome.
Yeah.
So
5.3 or 4.8, I believe.
Yeah.
Maybe in a 6.0. I'm not sure. I know they're all crazy, but
But
Long day.
Yeah.
I'm ready to go home.
yeah, it's been a really, really long day. So I appreciate you guys watching our video. If you can definitely like, subscribe, and share this video, we greatly appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next one.